Lost in the world like Sid Arthur while I author these quotes. Cutting hoes like a varsity coach. Caught fire, no larceny. Please, you got a part in these boats. A lot of niggas pray to God that he choke. Never see the album drop, fall off and be broke. Reminiscing on a hard time, so often he'd hope to slip his foot in the door. Promise when I made it, I write my hooks for the paw. But now I'm hella faded and got my foot to the floor while I'm pushing this Porsche. Seem to be more concerned with how I look in the sauce. Staring in the mirror just to see a look of remorse. Take a look at my chain, look at what I became, man.
Never had it easy, I know, but I still remember you and what we used to say. So I say, this is my song for you, my friend. You can only see that I can hardly let things go, no, oh yeah. So listen to the sound of my voice. You better send him all my love. He's giving me no choice, no, no, no. Listen to the sound that he pours. A ragamuffin is a freedom fighter. He's handling a choice, and I know that. Dear ragamuffin is a one-off-y friend. What you see is what you really did in the end. But what you're gonna do, I don't know. Dear ragamuffin, shall I not fall it down? Cause he is the wisdom of a not to fool around. But why don't you be good and see on the ground? Yes. You never had it easy, I know, but I still remember you and what we used to have. So I say, this is my song for you, my friend. You can only see that I will never forget, yeah, yes. So dear ragamuffin is the one of the friend. What you see is what you really did in the end. But what you're gonna do, I don't know. Dear ragamuffin, shall I not fall it down? Cause he is the wisdom of a not to fool around. But why don't you be good and see on the ground,
yeah, that old me that you knew well is still in me. Somewhere deep down there, hiding in the corner is a nigga who cared. Believe he could change the world and he did. Now he sits alone, used to write poems but that's gone. It's been so long cause he's scared. The world ain't fair and I'm fully aware. When the revolution comes, will I stare or will I ride?
Dear ragamuffin is the one of the friend. What you see is what you really did in the end. But what you're gonna do, I don't know. Dear ragamuffin, shall I not fall it down? Cause he is the wisdom of a not to fool around. But why don't you be good and see on the ground?
It's like gold dust, you hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. It's like gold dust, you hear me coming through your speakers. You see me flagging up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. There's no place to hide, so stop the fight, I'm gonna get it. All this running from me, baby, you're gonna regret it. I can understand why you can't free yourself and let it go, 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 go. Got you in my palm, now listen good, you can't escape it. Bring you to my world and hold you, see if you can take it. Don't you be afraid, I know you're strong enough to make it. Go, go, go. It's like gold dust, you hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. It's like gold dust, you hear me coming through your speakers. You see me flagging up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. Everything your life's been searching for in this direction. Come a little closer, don't you fear the intersection? We gon' take you down and then we gonna keep you sweating. Go, 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 go. Take you to a realm you never known it's non-existent. You won't hear it coming no matter how hard you listen. Can't predict the how everywhere we play opposition. Go, go, go. I don't know where you are from, what you're running from. Oh, I don't know where you are from, what you're
Macklemore. Can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Oh!